Welcome to English class. Today I am going to teach you English of Standard 7, Section 3, Return. It is a poem. You also take a test. Retired, the poem written by Crichton Smith. Crichton Smith is a Scottish poet and a novelist. He was born in 1st January 1928 and died in 1977. And here, retired, that means to leave your job after working. That is retired. Let's start our poem. He was tired after his voyage. Look at the picture. He was tired after his voyages. The shuttles from the planet to planet, from stars to star. Voyages, shuttles here means the voyages in a spacecraft. Then here he describes the memories of his journey through the space. It is a long journey through the space here describes. That is, and he spent a long time in the spacecraft. Here it describes. In the late evening, he would sway in his rocking chair and watch the moon through the trees. And here described that is at evening time, and he moves slowly. He sits in his rocking chair and he was watching the moon. That is, you can see this moon among the trees. I was there once, he thought. I stood on that globe. And I was once there. I was once in this space. And he compared the moon in a globe. That is a simile used here. That is a globe. Now it is like a football. The moon looked like a football, and it was shining in the space. And he would hardly believe it that in his helmet, here helmet described, it is a protective head used by these astronauts. That is a helmet. And in his bulky spacesuit, he had stared that far dust. Bulky here means large and heavy. Stared means moved and made to move or slightly. That is here he describes the moon dust has disturbed. That is, he remembered the memories of his feelings, sad and happy, in these lines. Okay, that is, moon dust had been disturbed when the person walked on this moon. And here this describe the memories of his space. That's about this poem. You read it well and studied it well. Okay.